please stop randomly doing that sound with your controller? Oh, can we go trick or treating after I'm done with my mathematical homework? I'll think about it. Oh, those are the trick-or-treaters. Hello, Sir Hawk. Hey, is a goat dressed in a voodoo? Hey, voodoo goat, hey.
I am Voodoo the Goat, and I'm here to search into your house because I have a search warrant to the Second Amendment.
Second Amendment? Hold up. Is anyone doing anything illegal in this house? Number. Yes. Shut your mouth, Dodo. Sorry, Voodoo. Where were we? So like I said, I have a search warrant, and am coming in now. Howdy. Don't mind me, I'm just here to search and seize. What the hell? It looks like everything is clear. Hey, look, there is a spider on the wall. What, where? There was no spider. Well, it looks like it's all good in here. I'm off to another house. Take care. All right, money is all I need. This is better than candy. Hey, y'all, can I have this dot mango? Yeah, whatever, I'm trying to fix my yo-yo. Okay. Now, if you take a bite out of that mango, you will never be able to bite anything off again. Now, who let you have that mango? Tell me. It was Owl. What? I didn't even let Dodo Bird have that mango. I'm gonna beat the heck out of you, Owl. What the hell is going on, Dot, in here? I decided to deep fry my mango, but I accidentally... Like and subscribe to .give Goose and Atomic.wedgie. Hey, I heard that, Dodo.